Hi, I'm Satya. I'm a senior fashion designer from Mehar Group. Today here in this short video, we will try to understand the processes involved in making of a garment.
First of all, we sketch down our concept on a piece of paper or the sketchbook. Now, we do the same thing on computer using the softwares like Photoshop, Corel, Illustrator, InDesign, etc. But here, we do that with much more detailed information. Now comes the pattern making for these garments. We again use the CAD system. We make the pattern, graded pattern in fact, and once the patterns are done, we take the printout of these patterns, we put that on a piece of fabric or the layer of fabric which we want to convert into the garment, and we cut the fabric. Now this cut pieces or cut fabric undergoes various production processes like fusing, stitching, binding, finishing, and at last we get a beautiful garment to wear. So it's not only cutting the fabric and sewing the garment, but basically the concept behind it. We do a lots of research work to give you the beautiful and fashionable garment to wear.